The Super Bowl of e-commerce, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, is just around the corner, a little over a month away from the upload of this video. Most Shopify stores around this time will be finalizing their paid ad strategy, email flows, campaigns, offers, sales, discounts, all that good stuff to rake in all the sales that will be coming in for them in Q4. Black Friday, Cyber Monday is also a really good time for SEO, and especially with rising ad costs because of the election cycle this year, an SEO Black Friday play is going to be huge to bring in some organic traffic and even more importantly, organic search revenue to your site in late November, early December. In this video, I'm going to be going over an 8-step guide to optimizing your Shopify store's SEO for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. These strategies will obviously help you increase organic traffic and take out some of that money you're spending on ads, but really what it's going to help you do is just drive even more revenue than you're probably even projecting right now on Black Friday. So you're going to have a huge Q4. For those of you new to my channel, I'm Cromwell and I run Newsies. We're an e-commerce SEO agency working with 7, 8, and most recently 9-figure Shopify brands to increase their organic search revenue. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. First step here is to build dedicated Black Friday and Cyber Monday collections. Quite literally just in Shopify, just create a new collection as you would any other collection, right? You can just quite literally duplicate your best sellers collection if that's what you want to put on sale. Create one for Black Friday, create one for Cyber Monday. And this is not just about organizing your everything on the back end of your store, but you want to be able to have a dedicated landing page, hence the collection, that can rank for high volume seasonal keywords. And having them available on your website year over year when the holiday seasons come around. Okay, we're gonna go on an evergreen strategy here. Whatever you may sell, okay, you can create multiple Black Friday collections if you have an enormous e-com catalog. I would just name them something like Black Friday product type deals or product type sales. Same thing, Cyber Monday, just Cyber Monday, your product type sales. If you sell watches, collections might be Black Friday watch deals or Cyber Monday watch sales. Potentially, if you're a menswear brand, maybe you're also selling belts or something, you could also create a Black Friday belt collection or a Cyber Monday tie collection if you sell ties. Create as many as you want that account for all of your main product categories. From there, you want to optimize your URLs. So that's step 2. Setting up these collections, you want to pay close attention to the URLs. A lot of people tend to make the mistake of just adding the year onto a URL. You never want to do that. Very basic structure should be something like yourstore.com/collection/Black Friday - your product types of keyword, I guess in this case, -sales or -deals or whatever you want to do. Okay. And do the same thing with Cyber Monday too. Again, like I said, don't include like 2024 or 2025 in the year. Okay. Because you're going to have this page year over year and you don't want to keep updating the URL. Okay, just keep one URL. Only thing you're going to change on the year is actually the content on the page and the meta title, which brings me to step 3, optimizing your meta title and description for Black Friday in your particular year. Okay, so we're in 2024 right now. Your meta title and meta description will change every single year. Using the watch example again. Okay, Black Friday watch sales 2024 up to 50% off your store name. Okay, whatever that may be. Meta description for that same page could be something like Shopify exclusive Black Friday 2024 watch sales or watch deals. Okay. Save it to 50% on your favorite timepieces, free shipping on all orders, sales starts X and goes through Y. This meta title and this meta description signals to Google and users that this is time sensitive. Okay, so it's fresh, it's relevant, it deserves to be the top of Google. Step number 4, collection descriptions. I have a whole video on collection descriptions, so you should check that out. I will say for Black Friday, we tend to go a lot shorter on the collection description length, probably like 100 to 200 words. Really what that collection description is going to do is obviously include like the words Black Friday or Cyber Monday, also the product category, like the collection product type you're selling. Obviously like watches should be in there a few times, as well as the unique aspects of your Black Friday or Cyber Monday or general holiday sale offer. Things like how long your sale is, the percentage or dollars off, so like the top deals that people can shop, any special offers on top of that, like free shipping, free overnight shipping, guaranteed shipping by Christmas, whatever. And a sense of urgency to encourage immediate action, like sale ends tomorrow, sale ends tonight. I like to front load Black Friday or Cyber Monday and your product type and the year in the first sentence. Okay, so your first sentence for your collection description should be something like Shopify 2024 Black Friday watch sale, something like that. All right. And then obviously include the other information about your watches and obviously the rest of the sale. Okay, that way customers have all the information and Google's got all the information so you can actually rank at the top of Google. Step 5, internal linking. Creating the pages is step 1, but if you don't do any internal linking, the pages probably aren't going to rank very well and you're probably not going to drive very much revenue through them. Internal linking is a very critical step here. You want to link to your Black Friday and Cyber Monday collections from the highest trafficked pages on your site and or the highest linked pages on your site. When you're thinking about these kinds of pages, what are they? For sure, your homepage, your other top ranking collection pages that are in similar categories. So like Black Friday watch sale, you should probably also link to that from your main category for watches, as well as your top 5 to 10, let's say, most popular blog posts, okay? Especially if they are covering the same type of product category, okay? If they're in that same cluster, absolutely link to them. What this does, it's going to help tell Google that, hey, this new page is very important to our site because we're linking to it from all of our most important pages, thereby you should treat it with some haste and start ranking it a little bit higher. Even if you start like mid-October, late October, this could still help you get into the top 3 results for Black Friday, even though it's only like a month and a half away at this point. Step number 6, backlink building. So you want to reach out to popular blogs in your niche, just like you would do for any other backlink building campaign. For these, you can something tailored to something more like trying to get included in their holiday roundups or shopping guides or whatever they may be considered, I'd say you probably look to be spending like 50 to 300 bucks, maybe more, per backlink, depending on the site, right? Like a lower quality site will charge you less, a higher quality site will obviously charge you more. Figure out what your budget would look like and then make a combination of links happen within that budget. You definitely want to make sure they're valuable. Like the links are going to be valuable as long as the pages are high traffic. The pages and the domains really are high traffic, as well as the domains are relevant to you, like niche specific, right? So if I'm a watch company, I'd be interested in roundup backlinks from like menswear companies, style, maybe vintage, obviously any like watch, other blogs, fashion, design, all those kinds of things, right? To stretch out your niche a little bit for the backlinks. Now, we are in mid-October. You're gonna have to launch these backlink campaigns pretty shortly. So the cold email campaigns are gonna need to get fired out like next week. However, if you're getting into the holiday shopping one, a lot of these bloggers will not publish like Black Friday, Cyber Monday shopping guides, but they more publishing like all holiday. So while you are aiming to get sales in late November, they're thinking like late November into like early to mid-December, okay? So they actually you may have a little bit of leeway with them. In any case, you should reach out as early as you can, offer to pay up front, get yourself in the roundup, get yourself a backlink, and aim it at that page. And step number 7 here is create your own listicle blogs. Okay, so obviously you're reaching out to blogs to be in the roundup or whatever. You can also create your own content to compete with those same articles. It's totally fine. You should be doing both, but when comparatively to writing your own listicle versus building a link on someone else's listicle, your own listicle will be substantially cheaper. These posts can rank for like long tail keywords, provide additional internal linking opportunities to not only your Black Friday, Cyber Monday collections, but also your other important collections that are like evergreen and exist all year. You can do something like 10 best Black Friday watch deals for 2024. Obviously, like if you own the watch company, you would list your own watches, like top selling like 1, 2, or 3 as the top 1, 2, or 3 in that, let's say, top 10 list. And then you would also list 7 or 8 or 9 or whatever other products from other brands. Ideally brands that don't have a competing SEO, like organic search presence with you, and link to them. Okay. So you could go look in like the meta ads library to figure out like what your competitors are on watches. I ideally would not be rewarding a link to a competitor in SEO. However, if you are going to do that, if you want to link to a competitor in search, I would just make sure you set the external links to no follow. That way you're not passing value to them. Also, if you're going to link to a competitor, whether they're SEO competitor or other kind of competitor, make sure to write an unbiased review. If you do in a ranking, like no one wants to see 3 glowing reviews about your products and then 7 reviews of you bashing 7 other brands. Okay, so just be unbiased. Tell them what the sale is. Give them a link, a no follow link, and just let it be. Okay. You could also set up like an affiliate link on these if you could agree on a percentage, like an affiliate percentage commission with your competitors. Though, while a lot of people do this, I think it's definitely more advantageous for bloggers than it is for e-com brands, because effectively you'll be trading product revenue for affiliate revenue. And ideally, if you can get like a, let's say $10 to $20, even $50 affiliate payout compared to selling like a $300, $400, $500 watch, like you'd obviously want the watch, not only because it's more money, probably better margin at the end of the day, but also because now that someone's bought your watch, it's a higher likelihood they'll buy it again or another of your watches, right? So affiliate, I probably would stay away from. If you want to try it out, be my guest. Final step here is step 8, post-holiday strategy. Black Friday, Cyber Monday seems to get longer every year. It even carries into like early December. Even so, do not delete these collections once the Black Friday, Cyber Monday holiday season ends. You will want to remove your internal linking, your internal links from your homepage, your other collections, and your top blog posts. And you want to essentially repivot or redirect, not redirect, but replace those internal links to your Black Friday ones with internal links to other collections that are year-round evergreen type pages, okay? Then when you get to 2025, so September, October of 2025, and you've got Black Friday coming up around next year, you can just rebuild the internal links, which will take you a few minutes, instead of having to rebuild the whole page and start over from scratch and get it indexed again. You also have the backlinks from, if you build backlinks this year, you'll still have the backlinks next year, okay? So rather than building a new link from scratch or new page from scratch, you just got everything. You gotta set up the internal links, which take you like 10 minutes, and then you're good for every single Black Friday from here on out, as far as your SEO is concerned. There you have it, 8 actionable steps to supercharge your Shopify store SEO for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, not only in 2024, but for every single year here on after. If you implement these strategies right now, and I mean like today, right now, you will be extremely well positioned, well above your competitors to capture far more organic search revenue than they could ever dream of, and you will probably beat your Black Friday, Cyber Monday projections. Make sure to follow and connect with me on Twitter and LinkedIn. I share new findings and strategies all the time that are working for our clients there. This is a full 5-hour SEO course going more in depth on how we're able to add thousands of dollars to our clients' organic search revenue consistently. Check the link in the description for that. Bit of a course plus community type thing. We've got about 50 members in there right now. It's growing every single day. Everyone's been really stoked about it. So check that out. And if you're a bigger brand, 7, 8, 9 figure brand looking to get off the paid ads hamster wheel and make 2 to 3, even 5x more through your organic search revenue, make sure to book a free discovery call. Okay, Shopify brands only. Click the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.